Today we are diving into the incredible benefits of fennel and how it can transform your health in just 30 days. We're talking about feeling more energized, sharper mentally, and just feeling fantastic overall. Fennel is one of the oldest medicinal plants, used for centuries for its healing properties. Let's explore how this amazing plant can benefit you. We'll break down the science behind it and show you how to easily incorporate it into your routine. Now, many of us struggle with cravings and overeating, right? Fennel can be a game changer. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that women who drank a cup of fennel tea before lunch naturally ate less. They felt fuller and more satisfied, thanks to a compound in fennel called anethole. Anethole works its magic by sending signals to your brain, letting it know you're full, which helps prevent overeating and supports healthy weight management. And remember, managing your weight isn't about strict diets. It's about making smart choices that make you feel your best. Let's talk about blood pressure for a second. It's a big deal, right? Keeping it in a healthy range is crucial for a healthy heart and overall well-being. Well, guess what? Fennel is packed with potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These are like the A-team of minerals when it comes to maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium, for example, helps to counteract the negative effects of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure. And magnesium. It's a natural muscle relaxant, including the muscles in your blood vessels, which helps them relax and allows blood to flow more easily. So, incorporating fennel into your diet can be a natural and delicious way to support your cardiovascular health. We are constantly exposed to toxins in our environment, and our blood can really take a hit. That's where fennel steps in with its detoxifying superpowers. Fennel is a fantastic source of iron, a mineral that plays a vital role in transporting oxygen throughout your body. But here's the cool part. Fennel is also rich in vitamin C, which actually enhances iron absorption. This means that by including fennel in your diet, you're not only getting a good dose of iron, but also maximizing its absorption, leading to healthier, more oxygenated blood. And when your blood is healthy, your entire body functions better. Chapter 4. Fennel. Soothing your digestive system. Digestive issues got you feeling down? Fennel to the rescue. This incredible plant has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe your digestive tract and reduce bloating and discomfort. But it doesn't stop there. Fennel is also a good source of fiber, which acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through your intestines and keeping things moving along smoothly. This can be incredibly helpful if you struggle with constipation. By adding fennel to your meals, you're giving your digestive system the support it needs to function optimally. Chapter 5. Fennel. Your ticket to restful sleep. In today's fast-paced world, getting a good night's sleep is more important than ever. Fennel contains compounds like anethole and fenchon, which have relaxing effects on your muscles and can help calm your mind. These compounds work together to reduce stress and tension, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day. Fennel can help make that a reality. Chapter 6. Fennel building strong bones from within. Strong bones are essential for a healthy and active life, and fennel can play a surprising role in supporting bone health. It's a good source of several key nutrients that contribute to bone strength, including phosphorus, calcium, iron, zinc, and manganese. Calcium, as you know, is the building block of bones, while phosphorus helps your body absorb and use calcium effectively. But it's not just about building bones. Fennel also supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy joints and cartilage. Chapter 7. Want radiant, glowing skin? Fennel can help with that too. We talked earlier about fennel being a good source of vitamin C. But did you know that vitamin C is crucial for collagen production? Collagen is what gives our skin its elasticity and youthful appearance. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, those nasty molecules that contribute to aging and wrinkles. So by incorporating fennel into your diet, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, vibrant, and youthful looking. Now, I want to be clear that fennel is not a cure for cancer. However, some studies suggest that it may play a role in cancer prevention. Fennel contains a compound called anethole, which has shown potential anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. Additionally, fennel is a good source of selenium, a mineral that acts as an antioxidant and helps protect your cells from damage. While more research is needed, these findings are promising and suggest that fennel may be a valuable addition to a diet aimed at reducing cancer risk. We've talked about fennel's impressive nutrient profile, but let's not forget about its antioxidant power. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Fennel is packed with powerful antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and quercetin. These antioxidants have been linked to a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation, boosting brain health, and even protecting against heart disease. By including fennel in your diet, you're giving your body an extra dose of these protective compounds. For new mothers, breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish their babies. Fennel has been traditionally used to support lactation and increase milk production. It contains a compound called anethole, which has been found to stimulate the release of prolactin, the hormone responsible for milk production. Additionally, fennel's ability to relax muscles and reduce stress can be incredibly beneficial for breastfeeding mothers who may be experiencing fatigue or anxiety. And while more research is needed, some studies suggest that fennel may even help with infant weight gain, making it a win-win for both mom and baby. So, there you have it. We've explored 10 incredible benefits of fennel, from boosting your energy levels to supporting your overall health. Remember, incorporating healthy habits doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding a cup of fennel tea to your day, or enjoying it roasted as a delicious side dish. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Try incorporating fennel into your diet and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.